The universe is filled with wonders, from distant galaxies to the intricate workings of the human brain. We humans have always striven to understand the world around us, to unravel its mysteries, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. In this relentless pursuit of knowledge, we stand at the cusp of a new era, an era defined by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is no longer a concept confined to science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's rapidly transforming our world. At its core, AI empowers machines to mimic human intelligence, enabling them to learn, reason, solve problems, and make decisions, often with astonishing accuracy. Imagine machines that can diagnose diseases with greater precision than human doctors, cars that navigate our bustling streets without human intervention, or even algorithms that compose music that rivals the works of the great masters. This is the promise of AI, a future where machines augment human capabilities, automate tedious tasks, and unlock solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. From revolutionizing healthcare to reshaping transportation, finance, and entertainment, AI is poised to touch every aspect of our lives. But as with any transformative technology, AI is not without its challenges. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep sense of responsibility. The future of AI, for better or worse, will be shaped by the choices we make today. In the realm of artificial intelligence, we often encounter the term narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Don't let the name fool you. Narrow AI is anything but weak. It represents a powerful class of AI systems designed to excel at specific tasks. Think of narrow AI as a master specialist, a virtuoso in a particular domain. These AI systems are trained on massive data sets and honed through countless iterations to become incredibly proficient at their designated tasks. Consider the voice assistants that have become ubiquitous in our homes, like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These helpful companions are powered by narrow AI, capable of understanding our voice commands, answering questions, setting reminders, and even controlling smart devices in our homes. They excel at these specific tasks, but don't possess the general intelligence of a human being. Similarly, the recommendation algorithms used by streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify are examples of narrow AI. These algorithms analyze our viewing and listening habits, learning our preferences to suggest movies, TV shows, or music we might enjoy. They're masters of personalization, but their expertise is confined to the realm of entertainment recommendations. Narrow AI is also transforming industries from healthcare to finance. In healthcare, AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs with remarkable accuracy, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases at earlier stages. In finance, AI systems are used to detect fraudulent transactions, assess credit risks, and even manage investment portfolios, bringing efficiency and precision to complex financial operations. Narrow AI is a testament to the power of specialized intelligence, demonstrating AI's ability to outperform humans in specific domains. While narrow AI showcases the impressive capabilities of machines in specialized domains, the ultimate dream of artificial intelligence lies in the pursuit of general AI, also known as strong AI, or artificial general intelligence, AGI. General AI represents a level of artificial intelligence that would surpass even the most gifted human minds, capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can. Imagine a machine that could not only understand and respond to complex questions, but also learn new skills, adapt to changing environments, and even exhibit creativity and emotional intelligence. This is the grand vision of general AI. A machine that possesses the same cognitive abilities as a human being, if not exceeding them. Achieving general AI remains a formidable challenge, a moonshot goal that has captivated the imaginations of scientists, researchers, and science fiction writers alike. While narrow AI excels at specific tasks by leveraging vast data sets and computational power, general AI would require a deeper understanding of the principles underlying human intelligence, consciousness, and creativity. Some experts believe that general AI could emerge from the continued development of deep learning algorithms and the increasing availability of computational power. Others argue that achieving true general AI might require breakthroughs in our understanding of neuroscience, psychology, and even philosophy. The implications of achieving general AI are profound, touching upon fundamental questions about the nature of intelligence, consciousness, and the future of humanity. If we were to create machines with human-level intelligence or beyond, how would our relationship with these machines evolve? Would they be our partners, our competitors, or something entirely different? At the heart of artificial intelligence lies a fundamental concept: learning from data. Just as we humans learn and adapt through experiences, AI systems rely on data to acquire knowledge, refine their abilities, and improve their performance over time. This process of learning from data is powered by a set of techniques collectively known as machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are the engines that drive AI, enabling machines to learn patterns, make predictions, and even exhibit creativity without being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You wouldn't give them a complex manual with every possible instruction. Instead, you'd let them experiment, fall, learn from their mistakes, and gradually improve their balance and coordination. Machine learning works in a similar way. Instead of rigid instructions, we provide AI systems with vast amounts of data and let them learn the underlying patterns and relationships. Take, for example, an AI system designed to identify different species of birds from images. Instead of programming the system with explicit rules for identifying every single bird species, we would feed it a massive data set of bird images, each labeled with its corresponding species. The machine learning algorithm would then analyze these images, identifying patterns and features that distinguish one species from another. Over time, through countless iterations and adjustments, the AI system would become increasingly accurate at recognizing different bird species, even those it has never encountered before. This ability to learn from data is what makes machine learning so powerful and is the driving force behind many AI breakthroughs. Section 5, AI in our lives, from healthcare to entertainment. Artificial intelligence is not a distant future scenario. It's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives, transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we work, play, and interact with the world around us. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, often working behind the scenes to enhance our experiences and simplify our lives. Let's start with healthcare, a field where AI is poised to make a profound impact. AI algorithms are being used to analyze medical images like X-rays, kinetic scans, and MRIs with remarkable accuracy, assisting doctors in detecting diseases at earlier stages when treatment is often more effective. AI-powered systems can also personalize treatment plans based on a patient's genetic makeup, medical history, and lifestyle, leading to more effective therapies and better outcomes. In the financial world, AI is playing an increasingly crucial role in everything from fraud detection to investment management. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, identifying suspicious transactions and patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity. They can also assess credit risks, optimize investment portfolios, and automate trading strategies, bringing efficiency and precision to complex financial operations. Transportation is another sector undergoing a radical transformation thanks to AI. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic concept, are becoming a reality, promising to make our roads safer and more efficient. AI-powered traffic management systems are being deployed in cities around the world, optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and minimizing commute times. And let's not forget the entertainment industry, where AI is enhancing our experiences in ways we might not even realize. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify rely on AI algorithms to recommend movies, TV shows, and music tailored to our individual preferences. AI is also being used to create realistic special effects in movies, develop immersive video games, and even compose original music. Section 6. The double-edged sword. Ethical concerns of AI. As with any transformative technology, artificial intelligence is not without its ethical considerations. While AI holds immense potential to improve our lives, it also presents unique challenges that we must address responsibly and ethically. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for bias in AI systems. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data reflects existing societal biases, such as gender, racial, or socioeconomic prejudices, the AI system will likely perpetuate and even amplify those biases. For example, a facial recognition system trained on a dataset predominantly composed of light-skinned faces might perform poorly or unfairly when used to identify individuals with darker skin tones. Another significant concern is the impact of AI on employment. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they have the potential to automate tasks currently performed by human workers, leading to job displacement in certain sectors. This raises important questions about the future of work, the need for workforce retraining, and the potential for economic inequality. Privacy is another critical area of concern when it comes to AI. AI systems often require access to vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. This data must be collected, stored, and used responsibly, with appropriate safeguards in place to protect individual privacy and prevent misuse. Moreover, as AI systems become more powerful, questions arise about their decision-making processes and the potential for unintended consequences. How can we ensure that AI systems make fair and ethical decisions, especially in sensitive domains like healthcare, criminal justice, and autonomous weapons systems? These ethical considerations highlight the importance of developing AI responsibly with a focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. Section 7, a future shaped by AI, possibilities and uncertainties. Gazing into the future of artificial intelligence is like peering into a cosmic nebula, a swirling mix of dazzling possibilities and enigmatic uncertainties. One thing is certain: AI will continue to evolve at an accelerating pace, reshaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Some experts envision a future where AI helps us address some of humanity's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, disease, and poverty. AI-powered systems could analyze climate data to predict and mitigate the effects of extreme weather events, develop personalized treatments for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's, and even optimize resource allocation to alleviate poverty and improve living standards. Others foresee a future where AI transforms the very fabric of our societies, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Imagine smart cities that optimize traffic flow, reduce energy consumption, and enhance public safety, all managed by interconnected AI systems. Or picture a world where virtual assistants become our constant companions, anticipating our needs, augmenting our capabilities, and providing personalized recommendations tailored to our every whim. However, the future of AI is not without its potential pitfalls. The development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, while still in the realm of speculation, raises profound questions about the nature of intelligence, consciousness, and the relationship between humans and machines. If we were to create machines with human-level or even superhuman intelligence, what would be the implications for our society, our values, and our very sense of self? As AI continues to evolve, we must proceed with both excitement and caution, embracing its potential while acknowledging its risks. The future of AI will be shaped not only by technological advancements, but also by the choices we make today. Choices that will determine whether AI empowers humanity or leads us down a path of unintended consequences. Section 8. Navigating the AI Revolution. A call for responsibility. We stand at a pivotal moment in human history, a time of unprecedented technological advancement and profound societal transformation. Artificial intelligence, with its awe-inspiring potential and its inherent risks, demands our attention, our wisdom, and our collective responsibility. As we navigate this AI revolution, we must proceed with a deep sense of ethics, ensuring that AI is developed and deployed for the betterment of humanity. We must prioritize fairness and transparency in AI systems, addressing the issue of bias and ensuring that these technologies benefit all members of society, regardless of race, gender, or socioeconomic status. Education and workforce development will be paramount. As AI transforms industries and automates tasks, we must equip individuals with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in an AI-driven world. This includes fostering creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, qualities that will remain uniquely human and essential in the future of work. International cooperation and dialogue are crucial. AI is a global technology, and its development and deployment should be guided by shared principles and ethical frameworks. We must work together to address the global challenges and opportunities presented by AI, ensuring that its benefits are shared equitably and its risks are mitigated effectively. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will write together through our choices, our actions, and our unwavering commitment to shaping AI in a way that aligns with our values and secures a brighter future for all. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing the AI era. We've embarked on an extraordinary journey, a journey into the realm of artificial intelligence. From machines that excel at specific tasks to the tantalizing possibility of artificial general intelligence, AI is poised to reshape our world in profound and unpredictable ways. As we venture further into the AI era, let us do so with a sense of wonder, a spirit of collaboration, and an unwavering commitment to ethical development. Let us harness the power of AI to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, to unlock new frontiers of knowledge, and to create a future where technology empowers and uplifts all. The universe is filled with mysteries, and AI offers us a new lens through which to explore the unknown. Let us embrace this opportunity with courage, wisdom, and a shared responsibility for the future of intelligence, both artificial and human.